Welcome back to the show. It's time now to go around New England with your New England Chevy dealer. We're heading up north to Morgan Horse Farm in the small village of Weybridge, Vermont. The farm has been operating for over 140 years and is listed on the National Register of Historic Places. It's now home to 40 Morgan horses, all descendants of the same herd that was brought to the farm in 1878 in an effort to help save the breed from extinction. Today, the farm's mission is to carry on their rich tradition of breeding Morgan horses, Vermont's state animal, and to promote and educate the public about them. The farm is affiliated with the University of Vermont and is open to students and the public. There are a few different offerings for hands-on learning, including internships and year-long apprenticeships. The farm also serves as a resource for other community and educational opportunities. Tours take place hourly, starting at 10 a.m. and last about 30 minutes. Visitors are also welcome to stroll the farm and learn about the horses all season long, from May through October.